Hi everybody, this is Bob Maxwell with Ram Manufacturing Equipment over here in Corona, California, and I want to show you a little demo about a machine that we have called our Ram SCD-300. And I designed this machine back in about 2008. We were selling a lot of dicers, but some people didn't need the high volume of, like, for example, our MHS Model 850-90 does about 12 to 1,500 pounds an hour. A lot of customers didn't need that. So I designed this machine. It does maybe 300 to 400 pounds an hour. And so this is a great starter from going from hand dicing or hand strip cutting to automation. A couple of features about the machine. You have this is the in-feed conveyor. This is the in-feed cover so that person's hand can't get to the blades. We do have two safeties. So when this guard is lifted up, we have a safety here and the machine will shut off. So we're running the machine, somebody lifts the guard up and the machine stops. Closes it, the machine starts. Then we also have a second safety, and that safety is if you lift this guard up, there's a sensor here. All right, so there's no way that the operator will be able to lift this up and the machine to continue to run. Also on this side we have a couple of wing nuts that you unscrew. There's a support that drops down and then allows this carriage to slide right out. Originally we used to put these blades in ourselves, but these blades are so sharp, these disc blades are so sharp that they'll cut you. So we came up with this replaceable carriage. So if you want to go, this is set at 1/4 inch. If you want to go to 1/2 inch, you just loosen these two wing nuts over here. This slides out and you slide in the 1/2 inch carriage. So very simple, very, very safe. We have a toggle switch here. So if you want to move the product through, you would lift it up and it goes in a forward motion. And then if something gets stuck or it's not going in at the right angle, then you have a reverse and it backs the product back up again. So the power on this is 220 single phase. So it can be used in any operation as long as you have a power switch for your lights or your regular plugs. You can plug this machine in. So now we're going to go ahead and run some product. What we're going to do is we're going to strip cut at a 1/4 inch thick this top round here. And so again, you just flip the switch up, product starts feeding through, going through we just did chicken. Whoop. So look at these beautiful strips. You got some little fat in here. Look at how nice, how beautiful that cuts. So nice and thin. The height of the product is determined by what you're putting in there, and then it gives you the width of the product. But look at those beautiful slices. This is at 1/4 inch. We can do 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, 1 inch, and then we can do some other various sizes, 3/8 and that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this product and we're going to bring it back to the front of the tabletop slicer and dicer, and then we're going to dice this meat into 1/4 inch pieces. So here it's going through, getting ready to go through the blades again. And again, this isn't a fast machine, but it's a lot faster than any people can slice or dice, and it's uniform. So now what we have is all these little diced pieces. Again, great for taco meat, burrito meat, hot pot. So just to summarize, this is our model SCD-300. That's model SCD-300. It's a strip cutter and a dicer. It's a RAM model, and it's got a 1-year warranty on all non-wearable parts. We just did chicken and beef today in our demos, but you can do vegetables with it. There's a lot of other products that you can do with this. So it's a great intermediate machine, the first step from going from manual slicing into some sort of automation at a really great price. So give us a call here at RAM at 951-734-8152, and we'll be able to answer all your questions. Thank you. Have a blessed day.